So when I first bought this Rubik's Cube, along with it came this thing right here. This little triangular shape is actually the stand for this Rubik's Cube. So it's like this, nicely for display. And it was quite unfortunate that only 3 of these actually came with this. So for my pretty vast cube collection, that wasn't enough. And that's why, now that I have a 3D printer, I thought I might as well print a few more of these. And that's how this was made. So let me show you how this happened. In order to find the 3D model I used to hold my Rubik's Cube, I went to Thingiverse, which, if you don't know, is an online repository of free 3D models. If you want to know more about Thingiverse, check out my relevant video about Thingiverse and a beginner's intro to 3D printing at large at this link right here. So in Thingiverse, I simply searched for a Rubik's Cube holder. And I found many unique results, such as this one right here, or this one. But I particularly liked this one, which was very similar to my original design, so I just went for it and downloaded all relevant files. Once the 3D model files were downloaded, I went to my slicer. A slicer being a piece of software that takes a 3D model file and turns it into a G-code file, which is a file type that tells the 3D printer exactly how to print the involved 3D model files. Once I was in my slicer, I ensured that all the print settings were exactly how they should be, as kindly specified by the creator of this 3D model file on Thingiverse. Once done, I then proceeded to save this on this button down here, and I saved it to my removable drive, and then I simply printed it out. So again, this was our original stand right here. And this is the fully 3D printed final stand right here. And in my opinion, it looks even better than the original. So I'm about to put this right up here alongside the original cube. So here we go. Perfect.